These are Northern elevators over there. But this here is a vintage Trumbull that I've only been on once. Look at this. Open sesame. Ooh, it is Dover and Trumbull. One thing I noticed when I visited this elevator first time, it just sits here. It doesn't close its doors unless someone's calling it. So I can reach the subway from here. In fact, let's even try and listen to it. Oh my God, you can. That's the sound of the door chimes. Now listen again. Wow. Listen. That is so cool. We're actually really close. I think we're above the tracks as well, or the station. Anyway, kind of wasted time here. That doesn't sound good. Man, the motor is really unhealthy. Very cool elevator otherwise. But, of course, it will not close on your own unless you do this. I mean, this elevator needs a state of repair. I mean, it's not a death trap, but it kind of shakes when going up. The motor's unhealthy. What happens when you close the door? Doesn't work, and it's just going to sit here. Again, how crazy that you can actually listen to the sounds of a subway. Oh, look, and there's the motor itself. In fact, we're going to do just that. And it's maintained by ThyssenKrupp. Oh, you can actually hear it again. Wow. Oh yeah, because there's an entrance just next door to here, so that's it. All right. Just listen to that, guys. Oh, you can actually hear people. Oh my God. I think the concourse is right behind this wall, and then you got the stairs leading down to the platform. That's freaking crazy.